How to create a billing process. How to create your own personalized billing process that will show in every opportunity plan in Zway. First, go to your administration page and select CRM Admin. You can find your admin page from the cover sheet if you wish. Under the heading CRM, select Billing Process. Select Add New. To create new process, give it a title. If you want this new process to be active right away, check the box Is Active. Click Add New to create as many stages as you wish. First payment can be on order date or any number of days after the order. Please ensure your process payments add up to 100% of the total, otherwise it will not work and you will see errors. Add a number of payment term days to create control over the time allowed to get your payments from your client. Save your new billing process. You'll now find this new billing process in every opportunity you create. Drop down the box showing the title Process Type to show Standard. You may choose from the standard billing process you have created. Note, if you see an error when saving your opportunity, this may be because the stages of your billing process do not add up to 100% of the invoice. It's worth checking. After all, you want to collect all the money owed at some stage, don't you? Now you can add your new billing processes as you need to each sales opportunity and forecast. No task in Zway takes more than 1 minute to complete.